Hey everyone, Dr. Berg here. Are you tossing and turning all night? Do you wake up feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle to get a good night's rest. Sleep is absolutely crucial for your health. It's when your body repairs itself, balances your hormones, and resets for the next day. If you're not getting enough sleep, it can have serious consequences for your energy levels, mood, and even your weight. The good news is, there are natural ways to improve your sleep quality. And no, I'm not talking about sleeping pills or expensive gadgets. We're going to talk about the power of food. Today we're diving into 6 specific foods that can help you sleep better than ever before. And stick around because I'm not just going to tell you what to eat, but exactly how to eat them for maximum benefit. Let's get started. The first sleep-enhancing superstar on our list is the kiwi fruit. This small but mighty fruit packs a powerful punch when it comes to improving your sleep quality. But how does it work? Well, kiwi is rich in a neurotransmitter called serotonin. Now, serotonin plays a vital role in regulating your sleep-wake cycle. It does this by helping to produce another hormone called melatonin, which signals your body that it's time to sleep. Think of melatonin as the lights-out hormone. When it gets dark outside, your body starts producing melatonin, making you feel drowsy. So, by boosting serotonin levels, kiwi indirectly supports healthy melatonin production, leading to more restful sleep. Now, you might be wondering, how many kiwis do I need to eat to reap these sleep benefits? Well, studies have shown that consuming 2 kiwis about an hour before bed can significantly improve sleep quality. You can eat them whole, slice them up and add them to yogurt, or even blend them into a smoothie. It's totally up to you. The key is to make it a consistent part of your bedtime routine. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to improving your sleep. Just like you wouldn't expect to see results from exercising just once, don't expect one night of eating kiwi to solve all your sleep problems. Keep at it, and you'll start to notice a difference in how quickly you fall asleep and how deeply you sleep throughout the night. Moving on to our next sleep-enhancing food, we have tart cherries. Now, you might be familiar with sweet cherries, but tart cherries are a different breed altogether. They have a more sour taste, and they're packed with even more nutrients, particularly melatonin. Yes, you heard that right. Unlike most fruits, tart cherries contain significant amounts of melatonin, that sleep-regulating hormone we talked about earlier. This makes them a powerful natural sleep aid. Studies have shown that consuming tart cherry juice or eating tart cherries themselves can lead to significant improvements in sleep quality, including increased sleep duration and reduced nighttime awakenings. So, how can you enjoy the sleep-promoting benefits of tart cherries? Well, you have a few options. Fresh tart cherries can be hard to find, but you can usually find them frozen or dried. You can add frozen tart cherries to smoothies or yogurt, or enjoy a handful of dried tart cherries as a snack. Another popular option is tart cherry juice. Look for unsweetened varieties without added sugar. For best results, try consuming tart cherries or tart cherry juice about an hour or 2 before bedtime. This will give your body time to absorb the melatonin and start preparing for sleep. Alright, let's talk about almonds. These little nuts are more than just a tasty snack. They're a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with goodness that can benefit your overall health and well-being. And one of the most significant benefits? Their positive impact when it comes to sleep. You see, almonds are packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in countless bodily functions. And when it comes to a restful night's sleep, magnesium is your best friend. It's a natural sleep aid that can help you drift off to dreamland more easily. So, if you're struggling to get those precious hours of shut-eye, magnesium can be a game-changer when it comes to a restful night's sleep. I'm sure you're wondering why magnesium specifically. What makes it so special for sleep? Well, let me tell you. Let's dive into the science behind this sleep-promoting mineral. Magnesium plays a crucial role, acting as a key regulator in your body's internal clock. It's deeply involved in regulating your sleep-wake cycle, ensuring that you feel tired when you should, and alert when you need to be. It does this by binding to something called GABA receptors, which are like tiny docking stations in your brain. These receptors are located throughout your brain, playing a crucial role in regulating brain activity. GABA is a neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger that transmits signals between nerve cells in the brain. And GABA is responsible for an important job. It calms your nervous system, helping to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Think of it kind of like hitting the brakes on your brain's overdrive, slowing down racing thoughts and easing tension. This calming effect is absolutely essential, creating the ideal conditions for sleep to occur. It's what allows you to quiet your mind and prepare your body for falling asleep. And it's also crucial for staying asleep throughout the night, preventing those disruptive awakenings that leave you feeling tired and groggy. Now, the concerning thing is that many people are actually deficient in magnesium, often without even realizing it. It's a silent deficiency that can have a significant impact on your sleep quality without even knowing it. This deficiency can lead to restless sleep, making it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. It can also cause you to wake up in the middle of the night, disrupting your sleep cycle and leaving you feeling exhausted. And of course, it can contribute to those dreaded morning grogginess, making it hard to get out of bed and start your day with energy. But here's the good news: incorporating almonds into your diet can be a game changer. It's a simple and delicious way to boost your magnesium levels and improve your sleep. Just a handful of almonds a day can make a big difference in your sleep quality and overall well-being. You can have them as a snack a couple of hours before bedtime, allowing your body to absorb the magnesium and prepare for sleep. Or you can even add them to a small, healthy dessert, making it a more nutritious and sleep-friendly treat. A great option is some full-fat yogurt with a drizzle of raw honey and a sprinkle of almonds. When it comes to almonds, always go for raw and unsalted. These are the most natural and beneficial options. Roasted almonds, while still containing some nutrients, may have lost some of their beneficial properties during the roasting process. And definitely avoid almonds, especially those coated in sugar or excessive salt, as these additives can negate the health benefits. These sugary and salty additions can actually work against your sleep goals, keeping you awake and disrupting your sleep cycle. Remember, we want to keep things as natural as possible, opting for whole, unprocessed foods. This approach ensures that you're getting the maximum health benefits from your food choices, supporting a healthy lifestyle. Soaking your almonds overnight can also be beneficial, enhancing their nutritional value. Soaking helps to release enzyme inhibitors, which are naturally present in almonds. By releasing these inhibitors, soaking makes the nutrients easier for your body to absorb, maximizing their benefits. You can soak them in plain water, simply covering them and letting them sit overnight, or even try almond milk for a creamier texture, providing a soothing and delicious bedtime beverage. Now, don't go overboard with the almonds. Remember, moderation is key. While they are incredibly healthy and packed with nutrients, it's important to be mindful of your portion sizes. That's because they are also calorie-dense, meaning they contain a significant number of calories in a small serving, a small handful. That's all you need to experience the benefits. Aim for about 15 to 20 almonds, which is the perfect serving size. This amount is the perfect amount to reap the sleep-enhancing benefits without consuming excessive calories. It's all about finding that sweet spot, enjoying the benefits without overdoing it. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to include almonds in your daily routine. Make almonds a regular part of your diet, incorporating them into your meals or enjoying them as a snack. And over time, you'll be amazed at how much better you sleep, waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. You'll wake up feeling refreshed, ready to take on the day with a clear mind, energized, feeling vibrant and ready to embrace the morning, and ready to tackle your day with focus and enthusiasm. We've all heard the rumors, the age-old tales about turkey making you sleepy after a big Thanksgiving feast. It's practically a holiday tradition to feel that post-dinner drowsiness. Well, it turns out there's some truth to that. It's not just an old wives' tale. There's a scientific reason behind that sleepy feeling. Turkey is naturally rich in an amino acid called tryptophan, a vital building block for various bodily functions, which plays a significant role in sleep regulation. It's a key player in helping you drift off to dreamland. You see, tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin, a feel-good neurotransmitter that helps stabilize mood and promote relaxation. And melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. When you consume tryptophan-rich foods like turkey, especially in substantial amounts, your body converts it into serotonin and melatonin, kicking off a cascade of biochemical events promoting relaxation and better sleep. It's like a natural sleep aid working from the inside out. Now, here's a little secret, a tip to maximize the sleep-inducing power of tryptophan. Pairing turkey with a healthy carbohydrate source can enhance tryptophan absorption, making it even more effective. This is because carbohydrates stimulate insulin release, which acts like a chaperone, which helps transport tryptophan to your brain, where it can do its sleep-promoting magic. But hold on, before you reach for that white bread roll, that tempting slice of processed goodness, remember to choose healthy carbs like brown rice, quinoa, or even a small sweet potato. These options provide sustained energy and won't spike your blood sugar levels, leading to that dreaded crash, ensuring a restful night's sleep. It's all about making smart choices for optimal sleep quality. You don't have to wait for Thanksgiving to enjoy the sleep-enhancing benefits of turkey. It can be a regular part of your diet, incorporated into your weekly meals in various delicious and healthy ways. Get creative with your turkey consumption. Try a turkey breast salad for lunch, packed with nutrients and that sleep-inducing tryptophan, a turkey stir-fry with brown rice for dinner, a balanced and satisfying meal, or even a turkey lettuce wrap for a light and satisfying snack. The possibilities are endless. When preparing your turkey, opt for healthier cooking methods such as baking, to retain its nutritional value, grilling or roasting. Avoid deep frying, as it adds unnecessary unhealthy fats that can hinder sleep. Keep it light and nutritious. Remember, we want to keep things light and easily digestible, especially in the evening. Your digestive system will thank you. Portion control is also important. Moderation is key to reaping the benefits. While turkey is a great source of protein and tryptophan, it's essential to consume it in appropriate amounts. Overeating can have the opposite effect on sleep, leading to discomfort and restlessness. Aim for a palm-sized serving of turkey per meal, a good rule of thumb for a balanced intake. To reap its benefits without feeling overly full or sluggish, it's about finding that sweet spot. So, there you have it. Incorporating turkey into your diet alongside healthy carbohydrates can significantly improve your sleep quality. It's a simple yet effective strategy. You'll wake up feeling refreshed, ready to take on the day, energized, with a renewed sense of vitality, and ready to conquer your day. Sweet dreams and productive mornings await. Let's talk about chamomile tea, a popular bedtime beverage, and for good reason. It's not just a placebo effect, there's actually a fascinating mechanism at play here. Chamomile contains an amazing compound called apigenin. Now, apigenin has this unique ability to bind to certain receptors in your brain that promote relaxation and sleep. Think of it like this. Apigenin is like a key that fits perfectly into a lock in your brain, and when it connects, it signals your body to unwind and prepare for a good night's sleep. So instead of reaching for that sleeping pill, why not try a cup of chamomile tea about 30 minutes before bed? You might be surprised at how effective this gentle, natural approach can be. But the benefits of chamomile tea don't stop there. It goes beyond just sleep and can help to calm your nerves and reduce anxiety, which, as you know, can significantly interfere with a good night's rest. Many people find that sipping on a warm cup of chamomile tea helps soothe their digestive system as well. It's known to ease digestive discomfort and promote better digestion overall. Now remember, just like with any herbal tea, it's crucial to choose a high-quality brand and brew it correctly to experience its full benefits. Look for organic chamomile tea bags or loose tea to ensure you're getting the purest form. So, if you're looking for a natural way to relax, unwind, and prepare for a restful sleep, give chamomile tea a try. It's a simple yet powerful addition to your nightly routine. We all know bananas are a great source of potassium, a readily available and delicious way to boost your intake of this vital nutrient. Potassium is a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating your blood pressure and muscle function, ensuring your body operates smoothly and efficiently. But did you know that potassium is also essential for a good night's sleep? It's a key player in helping you achieve restful slumber. You see, when your body is deficient in potassium, when your levels are lower than they should be, it can lead to muscle cramps and restless legs, those uncomfortable sensations that make it hard to relax. Two things that can definitely disrupt your sleep, making it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. By ensuring you're getting enough potassium, by prioritizing potassium-rich foods in your diet, you can help prevent these issues and promote deeper, more restful sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And guess what? Bananas are loaded with potassium. They're practically bursting with this beneficial mineral. Just one medium-sized banana provides a significant amount of your daily potassium needs, helping you reach your recommended intake with ease. But that's not all. Bananas also contain tryptophan, an essential amino acid that your body converts into serotonin and melatonin, two neurotransmitters vital for regulating mood and sleep. Remember those two crucial sleep-regulating hormones we talked about earlier? Serotonin and melatonin work together to promote relaxation and prepare your body for sleep. Now, I'm not suggesting you eat a whole bunch of bananas right before bed. Moderation is key, as with any food. But incorporating a banana into your diet, perhaps as part of a light evening snack, can be a great way to boost your potassium and tryptophan intake, setting the stage for a more peaceful night. Try pairing half a banana with a tablespoon of almond butter for a delicious and sleep-promoting treat. It's a simple yet effective way to support your body's natural sleep processes. The healthy fats in almond butter will help slow down the absorption of sugars from the banana, keeping your blood sugar levels stable throughout the night. Remember, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for optimal sleep. Spikes and crashes in blood sugar can disrupt your sleep cycle and leave you feeling groggy the next morning. So, go ahead and enjoy that banana as part of a balanced and healthy diet for better sleep and overall well-being. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel. So there you have it, 6 delicious and readily available foods that can help you sleep like a baby. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a natural and effective way to improve your sleep quality without relying on sleep aids. Remember, getting a good night's sleep is crucial for your overall health and well-being. It impacts everything from your energy levels and mood to your cognitive function and immune system. I encourage you to try incorporating these foods into your diet and see the difference for yourself, and be sure to let me know in the comments below which of these foods you're most excited to try and how they're working for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, sweet dreams.